So when you are creating a Flutter application, you will give a random domain name. In my case, I have created this project as my first underscore project. So when I create APK file of it, it will be created as my first underscore project. But I am creating a Pokédex, so my application name should be Pokédex. So how to change my APK name, that is application name, from my underscore first underscore project to Pokédex. So for that, go to Android, then go to app, then go to src, then go to main, then open android manifest.xml. Then in here Android label Pokédex, change name as Pokédex as I changed from my first underscore project to Pokédex. So now save it and build a APK, then your application will be shown as Pokédex. Sorry, the name we given. Thank you so much.